two options. You can grab the backs of your knees, pulling those knees down towards your shoulders. And then the other option is grabbing the outside edges of your feet and gently pulling those down. So here we're relaxing the pelvic floor muscles, opening up the hips. The inhale, you're thinking of the breath going all the way down to those pelvic floor muscles, that lengthening. You'll feel a little bit of gentle pressure, but we don't want any like pushing, bearing down with any of these exercises. So kind of pick which one feels best for you. I love doing all exercises for about a minute. So that way you can really focus on how you are doing the exercises and what you're feeling, because that is the most important thing. Then I'm going to do 3 sets of 10 types of rep or something like that. Nice. Let's take one more breath, whichever position you're in. Good. Exhale, let it go. And then gently let go. Just make your way. Come find a comfortable seated position. And just checking and seeing how you feel. If you can feel that connection better with those pelvic floor muscles now that we've gone through and done breathing exercises, opened our hips, opened our spine, lengthened, and then activated our pelvic floor muscles.